I'm trying to make my workshop a little bit more productive. So let's start here. Sorted out a few things. I've got a decent lot of wrought iron. And my other steels. This is still awesome. So this is my forging area. I think it's going to work like that. Desk for doing a little bit more fine work. Made my Dremel so it can move wherever I want to with my little toki here. So that'll work quite awesome. It's got its own light here and everything. That's awesome. So this is the belt grinder that I built myself. I basically rebuilt it again during the week. So I've put a VFD onto it. Always better. I've got my 300mm wheel still that I want to use. But now also I've got a flat platen on it. So that's awesome. And then I've installed this jerry-rigged quick release for the belts, which looks awesome. Yeah, I've got my belts, and then the other belt grinder, I'm still working on this. So it's got a 100mm wheel, and I've got a 30mm wheel at the top. So this will be able to swivel. It doesn't want to swivel now. Yeah. So this will be able to swivel, and I still want to put a flat platen in here. So yeah, this is going to work like that. So yeah, excited.